Hi, I'm Daisha Jones. I am the owner of Funnel Cake Queen here in Jacksonville, Florida. We're in Regency Square Mall. Funnel cakes have always been one of my favorite desserts. My mom and I would go to carnivals and festivals when I was a kid, and we would always get a funnel cake. Here in Jacksonville, I wanted to start a food truck. I wanted to do funnel cakes because they're not available all throughout the year, and it's something that no one else is doing, no one else has available, so I figured why not? It'll be fun and I can make money doing it. I can make people happy and make money, so that would be my dream. We do all kinds of crazy funnel cakes with different toppings. We have ice cream, whipped cream, we have nuts, pecans, walnuts, crushed Oreos, fresh apples, fresh strawberries, sprinkles, fruity pebbles, whatever you can think of. We either have it or we can do it. We do specials sometimes with red velvet, sweet cream cheese, the Reese's lovers with the peanut butter. We do all kinds of, we do deep fried Oreos, deep fried Twinkies, just anything that a sweet tooth foodie would love. We're at 9501 Arlington Expressway. You can find us on Facebook at Funnel Cake Queen, Instagram FUNL_cake_queen. We look forward to seeing you.